Tech Wars, AI with blockchain and cryptocurrency. AI is already starting to converge with blockchain and cryptocurrency. Here are some ways that AI will enhance blockchain technology. Fraud detection and prevention. AI can be used to analyze transaction patterns, identify suspicious activities, and detect fraud in blockchain-based cryptocurrency systems. It can help enhance security and reduce the risk of fraudulent transactions. Smart contract development and execution. AI can assist in creating and executing smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined rules on the blockchain. AI algorithms can automate contract creation, verification, and enforcement processes. Predictive analytics for trading. AI-powered algorithms can analyze vast amounts of historical and real-time data to make predictions and provide insights for cryptocurrency trading. This can help traders make informed decisions and optimize their investment strategies. Risk assessment and management. AI can analyze market trends, news, social media sentiment, and other relevant data to assess and manage risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. It can help investors understand market volatility and potential risks involved. Anti-money laundering, AML, compliance. AI can assist in monitoring and analyzing blockchain transactions to identify suspicious patterns and ensure compliance with AML regulations. It can help financial institutions and cryptocurrency exchanges in detecting and preventing money laundering activities. Enhanced security and privacy. AI algorithms can be utilized to strengthen the security of blockchain networks and enhance user privacy. AI can identify vulnerabilities, detect potential attacks, and propose solutions to safeguard blockchain-based systems. Tokenization and asset management. AI can facilitate the tokenization of real-world assets, such as real estate or art, by verifying ownership, creating digital representations, and enabling secure transactions on the blockchain. It can also help manage and automate asset portfolios. Supply chain transparency. AI and blockchain can work together to provide end-to-end visibility and transparency in supply chains. AI algorithms can analyze supply chain data stored on the blockchain to identify inefficiencies, track products, and ensure authenticity. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. AI can play a role in managing and governing decentralized autonomous organizations. It can assist in decision-making processes, consensus mechanisms, and resource allocation within DAOs, enhancing their efficiency and effectiveness. Personalized financial services. AI can leverage blockchain-based identity verification and transaction history to provide personalized financial services. It can offer tailored investment recommendations, automated wealth management, and customized financial planning based on individual user data. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.